CheckMate for SOLIDWORKS, the model-based enterprise solution. We begin with the MVD PMI in the DIM expert tree, which can also be seen graphically as those annotations. With the press of a button, CheckMate reuses and repurposes the PMI to generate an inspection path, complete with alignment, probe moves and rotations, and other CMM settings. Features are easily edited if desired, and although CheckMate can optimize the program order automatically, simple drag and drop can also be used. If the plan is to run this program on a CMM, then collision detection should first be performed. The feature program can be exported to a DEMIS program to run on virtually any modern CMM. The DEMIS program is sent to the CMM to run. Running this program produces a results file to import back into CheckMate. Instead of using a CMM to collect the results data, the part could be scanned. CheckMate can display various color maps, from individual to average to statistical color maps, showing Six Sigma, range, PP, or PPK. CheckMate loads the scan data as a color map. Various color maps can be displayed, from individual to average to statistical color maps showing Six Sigma, range, PP, or PPK. Our feature program now acts as a soft gauge. Substitute feature results are extracted from the color map for each feature in the soft gauge. The results data is automatically populated in the reporting browser. Statistical data such as PPK, range, and X-bar charts can be observed when loading multiple samples. Let's create an Excel report. CheckMate reporting has many Excel templates to choose from. Roadmap reports, AIAG PPAP, and 9102 are just a few of CheckMate's Excel templates. CheckMate for SOLIDWORKS is the solution for maintaining the digital thread.